Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put an image inside any shape. So let's begin. First we will create a rectangle in the stage. This is the rectangle I have created. Let's remove the stroke from the properties panel, and this is the rectangle, and I will open an image which will be inside this rectangle. So let's open the image. This is the image. Drag this image into the shape document. By Ctrl T from keyboard, resize the image to make better fit in the shape. So if you look at the layer, the guard layer is above and the shape layer is down. So what we will do, I will put this guard photo on the shape, and from the layer menu click create clipping mask, or from the keyboard press Alt or Ctrl G, click clipping mask. You see the image is inserted into the shape. So this is how we can insert any image into any shape. Let's put it in left side and make another shape. This is polygonal. We'll take polygon. Okay. Now I will open another photo. This photo, let's drag it to the document. Again, reduce the size by pressing Ctrl T from keyboard and put on the polygonal shape. Then go to the layer and create clipping mask. See the image into the polygonal shape. The outside of the polygonal shaped image it is not visible. If you want to remove this clipping mask, go back to the layer and release the clipping mask. You can apply this clipping mask in different way from this layer. Go to the layer and press Alt key. The cursor change to the arrow. Simply click, and the clipping mask is implemented. This is how you can make the clipping mask, and you can put any image into any shape. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like, comment the video. Thank you very much.